Okay, this is a unique question in that it's showing a table of weak acids and then asking which of the following bases would be the strongest weak base. So this has two parts. First is understanding that Ka is related to the strength of a weak acid, right? So strong acids are 100% ionizing, weak acids fall in a spectrum where they can be stronger or weaker weak acids. Weak acids, anything that does not fully ionize. Some maybe ionize 20%, maybe some are 0.01%. Those are both considered weak acids. And this Ka is a great indicator of how strong of a weak acid it is. Because the closer that number is to 1, the stronger it is. Now they're all weak acids if they're under 1, but there's the ones that are closer to 1 are stronger. So closest one here would be HBRO. That would be the strongest weak acid. But what this question is asking is which of the following bases. So this is after they ionize. So let's write one for example. And we get, now remember, here's our acid, here's our conjugate base. So the stronger this acid is, the weaker the conjugate base is, because it means it's more likely to go this direction. Now, so that means the weaker the acid, the stronger the conjugate base. So in this case, we're looking for the strongest conjugate base, which means we need the weakest acid. And so we're going to be looking at this one. Very weak acid, which means it's going to be a stronger conjugate base. So we're going to go with this one. There we go. Okay, so remember, the stronger an acid is, the weaker conjugate base is. If you look at a strong acid, that's a great example, right? Because the strong acid is very strong and the base is going to be basically 100% weak because it will not go back. It will not have an equilibrium going back to the left. So that would look like something like this. Right, so this is a very strong acid, which means this is a very weak base. So it's going to go in this direction.